Today, before starting the video, I want to talk about an unsung hero, a forgotten hero. That is Lala Lajpat Rai. He was famously known as Punjab Kesari. He played a pivotal role in India's independence movement. He was beaten by British police officers by lathi charge. He succumbed to his death after few days. On a random day, one guy came into the class. He announced, "Whoever wants to participate in India independence skit, please come to the quadrangle." I saw around, no one was interested. But some power in me put my hands up. My class teacher announced, "तू क्लास में रहकर कुछ करेगा भी नहीं, तुम जाओ." I felt relieved. I went out of the class. It was the backstage where people were practicing the skit. Then I wanted to be a part of this skit. So I went there. A random guy asked, "Why did you get this fellow? He's of no use, bro." Bro, this was the only guy who was volunteering for the skit in the whole class. Let him be there, no? So I was actually not part of the skit. I was also not part of the class. So what did that mean? That meant a lot of bunk and a lot of free time. I asked my rich classmate to give the aluminum foil. He bought chapati in it so that I could make a paper ball out of it and play basketball. That was the best school time I had ever spent. I would jump into puddle. I was like a Tare Zameen Par kid who was free to roam around. I used to jump in the puddle, make boards. Suddenly, the skit in charge called me. I went there. He asked me, "Do you want to be part of this skit?" I didn't know what to do. He told me, "You're playing the role of Lala Lajpat Rai." A very important role. That meant even more emotions. Then he told me, "Cops will beat you up, you'll have to fall behind." More emotions. People thought I was acting really well, then they took me to Lala Lajpat Rai's role. I then went back home, told my dad I was part of it. He was really happy I was part of this. Then the day before Independence Day, I told my dad I want to buy some costumes. I went out. One scooter, 4 people, all sister, mother, father and me. We went there, we bought all the costumes. Next day, got up early, took shower, 2-3 extra puffs of pump. Took the cycle, went around, went. Reached school in 20 minutes. 5 kilometers, 20 minutes. That was the record. I didn't wear a dhoti because I had to cycle and go to. So what I did, I kept dhoti in my bag, I went there. The struggle was real in our days. These days you have dhoti ready-made, pant. You wear it over. But our days there was no ready-made dhoti. With my Brahmin instincts, I tied it up. I was all ready for the skit. Then the guy who was not well, who was playing the role of Lala Lajpat Rai, came back. He was the teacher's son. I got the role because he was not well. But then now he is well. My teacher came to me. He told the guy, his teacher's son, he will be doing your role. You can go back to your class and stand in the quadrangle for the next programs. Nepotism is real. I was standing in a ground where everyone wore shorts and pants. I was the only one wearing dhoti. All because of nepotism. So this man of steel went back to the house. Sad, dejected. Then my dad asked, "How was the skit? Did you wear that small flag I bought for you?" I just smiled at him. Then he understood something beyond my imagination. Whatever has happened, it has happened, bro. No problem. There's always next time. So I smile forever.